Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the euro yen, I still think this is the end of a wave 3 and that we're in a wave 4 right now, which will likely look something like this. I think the 50% fib is the likely target for the wave 4 before it goes up and makes a wave 5. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly, I think that the wave A ends right here. I think this is probably an expanding flat wave B, and eventually I think it will go down for a wave C, and this should all be an ABC of 4. Keep in mind that this is a weekly monthly time frame pattern, which means it's going to take a very, very, very long time to play out. Going down to the daily time frame, like I just said, I believe that this is a ABC pattern right here. Most of the other yen pairs look like more like a flat, so I think this might end up doing something very similar also. I still am very bullish. The 100% is a likely target, but I think the more likely target is the 123 or the 138% Fibonacci extension for the end of this wave C of wave B. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. The market has been very, 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 very sideways for really a couple weeks now. Really, the dollar pairs, yen pairs, pretty much all of everything. I don't know if the market's waiting for the election that's coming out in a few weeks in the U.S. or not, but it's been very, very sideways, choppy. The trend is definitely still up, though. I mean, there's no doubt that the trend is still up, and I'm definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend until we get a break of structure to the downside. Heading right down to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, it's just very, very choppy. I mean, I thought this was a wave A over here. I thought this was a wave B, and I thought this was a wave C. If this is an ABC, then you would expect this to make a higher low and end up going back up, maybe like a wave 1, a wave 2, and then eventually going up for a wave 3. So hopefully that's what happens. If it does decide to go down and break structure, then no problem. I'll stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. Either way, I hope we get some volatility in these markets because these have been some very, very sideways markets for the last couple of weeks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.